All this week on Dateline Schools, we're talking to Pat Yanik, the director of the St. Clair County Technical Education Center, seeing how this latest school closed down is really impacting his programs and his students. And Tech, one of the things that make Tech really unique is all the hands-on stuff. Kids get to weld, kids get to construct things, they get to work on cars, they get to work with patients. How is that lack of hands-on stuff really impacting your program, and how will that impact the kids when they go to do their certification testing later this spring?
Well, you're absolutely correct on that. We need our students to get that hands-on practice, especially for those areas where they're required to have that hands-on experience before they're able to take their certification tests, because several of the certification tests are performance-based. They observe the student performing the skills. So we've been able to do hands-on up until the last two executive orders from the state. And our hope is that we'll be able to get back in early in the year and get back face-to-face and get back to doing the hands-on. If we're able to do that, we feel pretty good that we're going to be in good shape for this coming spring. But we do need to be able to do that. Yeah, it's going to be a struggle.
I know one of the programs that has the most hours that kids need to do is in your cosmetology. And of course, that's stretched over 2 years and a summer. Are you still be able to have your salon open and have customers come in, or how are you working that piece?
So we have not, because our policy has been to not have visitors in the building, we have not opened up to the public. So we haven't been doing any catering, we haven't been doing computer repair, and we haven't been, doing anything with cosmetology with clients coming in. So everything's been inside the building, meaning the students in cosmetology have had to practice on each other. They also have mannequins that they practice on. That's hard, because they rely a lot on getting people from the outside to come in and do the practice. What we ended up doing this year for the graduates, we spent a lot of time this summer in the building with our students that wanted to come back after they graduated from high school. We called them super seniors. And so they came back and they were here during the summer, and right into the fall, we made room for them, and we got them in as soon as we could. And all of them have finished that wanted to. Some of them worked right up through October to get the hours they needed to be able to take their state licensing exam. And we'll do the same thing. We'll do the same thing this coming summer. If students need to be here in the summer to make up the hours, or even into the fall, we'll do whatever it takes. Same thing with our certified nurse aides. We're in the process of getting them licensed right now from last year.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry.